Hey everyone. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to optimize the performance of Opera GX step by step. If you want a smoother, faster browsing experience, especially while gaming, make sure to watch till the end. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and fixes. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Opera GX has a powerful feature called GX Control, which helps manage RAM, CPU usage, and network limits. To access it, simply look for the GX Control tab on the sidebar and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of open tabs that are consuming a lot of CPU and RAM. If you're gaming while having your browser open in the background, this can slow down your system. But don't worry. Opera GX lets you limit how much of your computer's resources it uses. First, let's look at the network limiter. If your internet is lagging while gaming or streaming, you can set a limit on how much bandwidth Opera GX can use. Just enable it and choose a speed limit that works for you. Now, let's move on to the RAM limiter. By default, your browser can take up a lot of memory, but with this feature, you can control exactly how much it uses. You'll see a slider showing how much RAM is available. If Opera GX is using too much, just drag the slider down to a lower limit, like 3 or 4 gigabytes, to free up memory for other applications. Next is the CPU limiter. This lets you restrict how much processing power the browser uses, preventing it from overloading your CPU. Just turn it on and set the percentage you want Opera GX to use. This is a game changer, especially if you want your games to run more smoothly. Step 2. Extensions can be useful, but too many of them can slow down your browser. To manage your extensions, go to Extensions and look through the list and disable or remove any extensions you don't need. If an extension isn't essential, turning it off will free up memory and make Opera GX run much faster. Step 3. Over time, cache and cookies build up and slow down your browser. To clear them, click on the Opera menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and find Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data, then click Clear Data. This will remove unnecessary files and make browsing much smoother. And that's it. Thanks for watching.